Have a nice and safe day to you all, and again a very warm welcome for this channel. In the previous video of cytology, we have already discussed about the basic concept about cell, the cytological views, cytological discoveries have finished in our previous video, and in this video particularly we are going to discuss about cell types, that is the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Okay. This first of all, when we categorize this cell, these are three types: prokaryote, mesokaryote and eukaryotic cell. Basic overview we have already discussed in the previous video of our cytology 1. In this chapter 2, we have to discuss the detail about prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Let's know prokaryotic cells. Okay. These prokaryotic cells are represented by bacteria, cyanobacteria, pleuropneumonia like organism. Okay. So it include bacteria, cyanobacteria, blue green algae or cyanobacteria or blue green algae, PPLO, pleuropneumonia like organism. Okay. Generally, the prokaryotic cells are very much smaller, multiply more rapidly. Basic features: these are smaller in size and rapidly multiply than other cell types. If we view about the size, it is about 0.1 to 5 millimicron. Okay, it is about this size. The shape is variable. We have already discussed in our bacteria chapter. This shape is variable. It may be a rod shape, sometimes it is a rod shape, it is comma shaped, it is spherical, or it is spiral. Okay. When it is a rod shape, it is called as bacillus. We can take the example of Bacillus acidophilus, Bacillus thuringiensis. These are the bacillus type when rod shape. When it is spherical, it is called as coccus. When it is comma shaped, it is called as vibrio. When it is spiral shaped, it is called as spirillum. Okay. These are classified according to the shape of the bacteria. All these prokaryotes have a definite structure. When the prokaryotic cell is viewed under electron microscope, the detailed structure can be revealed. Let's discuss about the detailed structure of prokaryote under any microscopic field. Clear? It is found that the prokaryotic cells are externally covered by a capsule. Externally, the body is covered by capsule. Here, this is the capsule. What are the components of capsule? It is the outermost covering. The capsule is outermost covering. It is formed of polysaccharide and glycoprotein component, glycocalyx. We can tell it is made of glycocalyx. It also gives shape to the prokaryotic cell and act as a protective covering for the cell. Okay. Below the capsule there is cell wall. This cell wall is non-cellulosic in nature. Okay, it is formed of peptidoglycan, pseudomurine, a number of non-cellulosic substances are found in. Cellulose is found in eukaryotic cell. Okay, so this cell wall, it produces definite, it provide definite shape to this cell. It help in preventing infection. It protect bursting of cell. It help in adhesion. A number of functions are associated with cell wall. Next to cell wall, there is another covering, which is called as cell membrane. This cell membrane produces inward foldings. These foldings are nothing but these are mesosomes. Clear? What it does? The cell membrane producing mesosome are associated with holding of the genetic material. The site of DNA replication takes place. It also help associated with carrying out respiratory enzymes. Okay, here all type of respiratory inclusions are found in it. Cell membrane. Below the cell membrane, it is cytoplasm. There is no definite nucleus present in it. The genetic material is present in naked state. Okay, the genomic DNA, suppose this is the genomic DNA, circular genomic DNA found in it. Genomic DNA. Except DNA, there is another DNA, another circular DNA outside the genomic DNA. What is it? These are called as plasmid. The plasmids are responsible for carrying out resistance. Okay, bacterial resistance. It monitor antibiotic resistance and bacterial transformation. Okay, there are F plasmid, R plasmid, col plasmid, virulence plasmid, degradative plasmids. Many type of plasmids are there. There are some unique cellular inclusions are found inside prokaryotic cell. These are different cell inclusions. It may be storage food material or other substances. And in prokaryotic cell, there is no membrane bound organelle, only 70S ribosomes are found. 70S ribosomes are found. The DNA is naked. It is without histone. DNA is without histone proteins. Okay. The microtubules, microfilaments are not found here. Microtubule, microfilaments or cytoskeleton is absent, not cytoskeleton. Spindle fibers formed during cell division is also absent here. The locomotory organelle. Come to locomotory organelle. Sometimes a flagella is present. It arises from basal granule. It shows it do not have 9+2 arrangement absent in it. Okay, cytoskeleton absent, 9+2 arrangement absent. Then cyclosis. The streaming movement of cytoplasm or cyclosis is absent here. Prokaryote में ये नहीं होगा cyclosis. The nucleus without definite nuclear membrane is called as nuclear. So these are the processes associated with prokaryotic cells. Then the locomotory organ, cyclosis, cytoskeleton, everything. Locomotory organ is primitive type. cyclosis is not found. Cyclosis means streaming movement of cytoplasm. Then come to eukaryotic cells. These are all about prokaryote. The eukaryotic cells are advanced than prokaryotic cells. These are it is found that all the eukaryotic cells are more advanced and larger in size in comparison to the prokaryotic cell. These are larger in size. Okay. Under microscopic field, it is found that the eukaryotic cell do not have capsule. In case of plant, there is a hexagonal cell wall. Hexagonal cell wall. This cell wall is formed of cellulosic substance. Okay. But in prokaryote, it was non-cellulosic. The basic difference. In animal cell, the cell wall is lacking. Below the cell wall, there is cell membrane. Cell membrane. Okay. This cell membrane do not produce mesosomes here. This cell membrane is formed of definite arrangement of lipid and protein. Okay. Below this cell membrane, this is cytoplasm. This cytoplasm consists of different cytoplasmic inclusions. What are the cytoplasmic inclusions? These are storage food granules, these are membrane bound cell organelles, okay, and nucleus is also present at the center. True or organized nucleus is found here. Inside the nucleus, chromatin substance, chromatin network, and nucleolus is present. Nucleolus help in formation of ribosomal RNA. Clear? The cell organelles, ribosome, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, plastids, these are all type of cell organelles are found in eukaryotic cells. Okay. Then this cytoskeleton, microtubules, microfilaments are present here. The cyclosis, the process, that is a process streaming movement of cytoplasm or cyclosis is found here. When the locomotory organs are found, it shows typical 9+2 microtubular arrangement. Okay. Then except cyclosis, it help in tissue formation. These cells help in formation of tissues. Okay. The cell division here takes place through mitosis. Clear? So these are the basic structures of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. In next video, we will discuss about different cellular components. Okay. आज के लिए